Hey, what's up, guys? So pretty much in this video, we're just unboxing the Maxp's product. This one is an Apple iPhone 7's battery. Pretty much, I just need a replacement battery. So I went back to Maxp because they get the job done. Really lovely, you know, price. That's the thing here. It's more about the price because their motto says that it's like buy max, pay less. So it's pretty good. So this is how the battery comes in the safety pack. I mean, you just undo it. You put in this rubber band and gently you can just like undo the there's the actual battery here. So I'm not sure what brand it is because most of the batteries that we get are a different brand. Gently we just pull this off. Then it's just they always repack it just for the safety. They check the battery and then send it. That's how they do the whole thing. It's just well made. Just going to gently open this up. This one is made in India. This is how it looks like, as you can see. So pretty much the battery would sit like this because the cable is here, as you can see. So this is the other way around. So the sticker actually denotes that. So this is a replacement battery, and thankfully it's made in August of 2021. So pretty much this is how it looks like, guys. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Give a big thumbs up if you did like the video, and do subscribe.